everyone! Today we're making some easy cutout shirts, so grab your scissors. For this tutorial you will need a piece of cardboard, some t-shirts, a ruler helps but isn't completely necessary, something to mark your clothing with, and some sharp scissors. Okay, the first tutorial is the simplest slashed shirt. So to start, put your shirt on inside out and make a mark diagonally from the center of your chest to one of your shoulders. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and use a ruler to straighten your line, and subscribe to my channel. Then you're going to thicken that line in the center, drawing a long, pointed, thin oval the length of your line, about an inch thick in the middle. Now put the cardboard inside your shirt and cut out your long oval carefully. And that's it! The next design is more of a patterned slashed shirt. So put your shirt on inside out and mark a little higher than the lowest you want your shirt to be. Draw a line across your chest at this point and continue the line across your arms. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and straighten your lines and make sure they're symmetrical. Then we're going to make a dashed line just above the first line, all the way across the shirt. Then start drawing another dashed line above the first, but make them overlapping like bricks. Continue making dashed lines all the way up to the collar and shoulders. Then do the same thing on the sleeves, but follow the sleeve lines. Once you've done all your markings, put your cardboard inside the shirt and start cutting along all the little dash marks. Once you're done the cutting, stretch out your shirt really well, careful not to rip it. Now regularly I would do the back the same, but I'm saving the back for another video. Okay, the last design is a slotted tank top. Now the reason it's backwards and the sleeves are already cut off is because I did a different design on the front, but I didn't end up liking it. So put your shirt on inside out and mark a little higher than you want the design to start. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and cut off the sleeves, then draw a straight line across where you want your design to start. Put your cardboard inside the shirt. Then you're going to draw a straight line up the middle of the shirt from your line to the collar for reference. Then you could draft out all of your cuts with lines, but I was lazy, so I winged it by cutting along the first marked out vertical line, then cutting more parallel lines spaced about ½ an inch apart all the way across the shirt, stopping at our original horizontal line. Then stretch out your slots lengthwise. And that's everything! I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video, right over here. Thanks for watching!